So this is your formula. Now it is telling unknown oil viscosity at 100 degree Fahrenheit is 530, Gulf oil 780. Okay, so 780 is your Gulf oil, 530 is the unknown oil. 780 minus 530. Sorry. 780 minus Pennsylvania oil is 450. Okay. So your is 450 into 100. So this gives you, it is 530, 250, and this is 330. So this value is, how much is the value?
Sir, 75.76.
75.76. Okay, so this is the viscosity index of the unknown oil that was calculated. So this was the first numerical. Second question was, write the general preparation procedure of grease. So this question was directly from your slides, PowerPoint presentation. So you can see the general preparation procedure and you can practice the writing from there. Okay. And third one was the write the name or formula of the chemical constituents present in dilute aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Give brief justification in 1-2 sentences in favor of your answer. Okay, dilute aqueous solution of NaCl. What are the chemical constituents? So dilute aqueous solution of sodium chloride. So chemical constituents, component was not asked. Okay, it was the chemical constituents that are existing in this system. So with justification. So 1-2 chemical constituents you can easily find out. These are sodium and chloride aquated. So these two are existing. So whenever you are adding a small quantity of NaCl in a large volume of water to the cation and anion, that is Na plus and Cl minus, will be getting solvated, and these ions will be existing there. So here the justification you can write, this is a strong electrolyte and it was a dilute solution. So all the sodium chloride will be completely dissolved. Okay, so it will be completely dissolved and Na plus aquated and chloride aquated, these ions are being formed there. Now 3 more things will be there, which are H plus, OH minus and H2O. And what is the reason for this one, or what is the justification? Now we have this equilibrium is existing there, and as a result of this equilibrium, we will have the existence of this H plus, OH minus and water. So we have all over 5 chemical constituents will be existing in this given dilute aqueous solution of NaCl. Okay, 5 chemical constituents. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask. Any doubt, any question?
What should be the explanation for this? I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
yeah, we know these are the constituents, but what should we write?
What should you write? That's what I was telling the last 5 minutes.
Sorry, sir. Please, can you repeat? I was just thinking that you are telling us these are the constituents.
The sodium chloride, it is a strong electrolyte. Okay, it is a strong electrolyte and it is highly soluble in water, and a dilute aqueous solution of NaCl was prepared. So the NaCl that was added will be completely soluble. Okay, in this exam, some people wrote NaCl will be remaining in solid form. So NaCl cannot be in the solid form in this solution because it was a dilute solution and NaCl is highly soluble in water. That fact has to be remembered. So you have passed 11, 12, that does not mean fact will change. Okay, what is the fact? That is always there. So it is NaCl will be, it is a dilute solution and that means a large volume of water, very small quantity of NaCl was added. NaCl is a strong electrolyte and is the highly soluble in water. So it will be forming Na plus and Cl minus aquated, both are aquated form. So that is the NaCl part, and water, this already we have discussed in the, if you have opened your slide by mistake, you can see it is given there. अगर तुम अपने स्लाइड जो पीडीएफ फाइल उसको डाउनलोड करके बाय चांस देख लिए हो, तुम्हें ये इसको पता चल जाएगा, लेकिन अगर नहीं देखे हो कोई बात नहीं, फिर मैं बता देता हूँ. इसमें it is the autoprotolysis of water is taking place and H plus OH minus ions will be formed. So as a result, this equilibrium will be existing, H2O to H plus and OH minus. So that is the reason for existence of these H plus, OH minus and H2O. So totally we will have 5 chemical constituents. So that is the answer with the justifications. Okay. Any
Sir,
other question?
no, sir.
Tell me, or someone was asking anything. No question. Okay then. So you prepared all these topics. I think you have seen it has been uploaded. Lubricant slides were uploaded as PDF file earlier, and last week I have uploaded the PDF file of phase equilibrium. So both the topics you download in your computer or in your mobile and read the whatever topics has been given there. Okay. So from your next class, your 3 new chapters are going to be started. So chemical bonding, corrosion and green chemistry, and your fuels.
So will you be teaching those chapters?
What?
Will you teach us those chapters, sir?
No, other faculties are there, so they will teach you.
Okay, sir.
So 3 new chapters are going to be started. So my part is finished. So you read the topics that were already